Hey artist, Mr. Stout here from Great Oaks Elementary. Looks like the weather's getting warmer. It's April, and you know what that means. It's crawfish season. So I figured I'd show you how to make an origami crawfish. Alright artist, Mr. Stout back here with you. You can see I got an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. That's a standard piece of paper. You'll notice that it's a rectangle, right? Well, most origami that I've seen has started as a rectangle, but then somehow you got to turn this rectangle into a square. So I'm going to show you an easy way to do that right now. Instead of being vertical, I'm going to turn it horizontal. I'm going to give myself a fold that looks like a triangle. So why am I folding this triangle? I'm folding this triangle because, again, I want this rectangle to turn into a square. And you'll notice that I have a diagonal line there. But here's the cool part. If I draw a line here and open it back up, you'll see that I have two triangles that make up this square. So I'm going to go ahead and take my handy dandy scissors and cut on that vertical line I just made. And then voila! Now you have what used to be a rectangle into the square that we need. So I'm going to fold that back into the triangle. So going from this side, I'm going to make one vertical cut, but I'm not going to go all the way to the top of the triangle. I'm going to stop that cut a little bit short. Now I'm going to open up my triangle and make it look like a diamond. And I'm going to fold from the outside in. So that's folding into that middle vertical line. The middle vertical line there. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Hey artist, I bet you remember what that's called when something is the same on both sides. It's balanced. It's symmetrical. Here's that math term. It's congruent. So you'll see that both of those folds meet that center line. But I'm not quite done yet. I'm going to fold this tip right here like that. I'll show you what it looks like this way. So this tip goes right to that middle line. A lot of stuff is going right to that middle line that we made first. Uh-oh. Doing the same thing to the other side. Balanced, symmetrical, and congruent. Let me unfold it so you can see. I'll unfold it all the way so you can see all of my folds. There are my first folds. Here are my second folds. Now here it gets a little bit tricky. So I'm going to be doing some accordion folds. I'm going to fold up. A little bit tricky now. Try to stay with me, artists. And then back. So I'm making some accordion folds. And up. And back. Oh man, up to 2 accordion folds. One more, why not? Up. And back. All right. Oh my gosh, look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Perfect. Now I have my 3 accordion folds. Ah! Get back here, crawfish. I'm gonna fold it in half. Now I have something that looks like this. You're like, wait a minute, Mr. Stout, that doesn't look like any crawfish I've ever seen. Oh no. Well, we got to kind of make this flat part and make it look like it's rounded off. So I'm going to kind of bend it and pull at the same time. So now I'm going to work with this section right here. Oh, Mrs. Stout, that's so impossible. Oh no, you got this, artist, you got it. And if it doesn't look quite like mine, that's okay, don't worry. Last fold right here. Oh yeah. So you might be wondering, well, why did we make these little things? Well, we're gonna fold those up now. Crawfish have these little antennas and they got little legs down here and they got pinchers that will pinch you. But we're not making the little legs or pinchers. We're gonna go ahead and just make these antennas and we'll give them a little crawfish eyeball right here. Oh, crawfish is so delicious, look at that. Anyway, that's my simple crawfish origami. That's